Hi friends, this is an analysis on the KSRTC Ashwamedha buses recently launched by the government of Karnataka for point-to-point services in the state. I would like to compare this Ashwamedha bus model with the earlier model, that is the standard model, pointing to both the pros and cons. We'll first look into the pros or the positives in this model. If you look at this bus, the bus is designed beautifully. It is pleasing to the eye. Secondly, the body design is much taller and spacious compared to the older standard model. There is a big logic in this design. This is a point-to-point service bus. Naturally, we expect passengers to carry more luggages. The taller and spacious design can offer a larger luggage rack space without compromising on the headroom for the passengers. Secondly, the tall spacious design also allows more air circulation within the bus body. In simple words, this bus is actually designed in the same manner as a 2x2 long distance intercity coach. So this is basically a 2x3 seater type coach. So what we are seeing in the Ashwamedha bus model is a structural transformation of the standard bus. The second point is where the genius lies. This bus has only one door, and this door is situated before the front wheel, in the same manner as seen in a 2x2 long distance luxury coach. Once again, there is a big logic. Since this is a point-to-point service bus, passengers need not get down frequently. So there is no need for having two entrances. One entrance will do the job. Thirdly, the seats are plush and offer a better headrest for the passengers. I would now like to point out to the cons or the negatives in this design. First of all, the aerodynamics is not as good as the old standard model. The old standard model is much superior in terms of aerodynamics. They would have given the Ashwamedha bus a curvy front roof. But the roof edge in this bus is rather sharp. This feature combined with the tall body design may lead to lesser efficiency and decreased mileage. The second flaw is the major flaw which I noticed in this bus. If you look at the body design, this body design contains a larger proportion of glass compared to the proportion of metal. For long distance operations, the glass panel should be comparatively smaller compared to the metal panel. There are reasons. A greater metal panel provides better protection to the passengers. On the other hand, a large glass panel is not needed for long distance operations. A large glass panel will unnecessarily allow more light inside the bus. This will be inconvenient to the passengers, especially during daytime travel. Apart from this, a greater glass panel will cause more vibrations in the bus in the long term. The third flaw lies in the design of the contrail. The contrail is the side roof edges of the bus. If you look at the older standard model, the contrail design is much better. The roof edge is curved and it has a greater quantity of metal. This is a scientific design. It is aerodynamic. Secondly, it provides better structural strength. Even in case of an accident or impact, this design can better protect the passengers. I find this to be a major flaw in the Ashwamedha bus design. What the engineers could have done is to slightly reduce the height of the bus and decrease the size of the glass panels. Apart from this, they could have given a curvy edge to the roof. Such a design would have provided better structural strength, aerodynamics and protection for the passengers. I kindly request the government of Karnataka to change the specification of the Ashwamedha bus. As already explained, the changes are needed in three major areas. Number one, slightly reduce the height of the bus. Number two, decrease the size of the glass panel in comparison to the metal panels. Thirdly, make the roof panel more curved. Thank you.